Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at the allotment, and what I'm doing today, I'm just going to try and strim as much of this grass as I can. I've got a petrol strimmer, one of the powerful ones, but the only thing is, what I find the problem with this is the engine part is not balanced. This is what they give you to hook it up, and this is sometimes pulls down a bit low once you get going, so that's the only problem I find with it. Otherwise from that, it's not a problem. I've done a bit of it, but I've got to go up the top end and start over again. I just want the grass to stay low and tidy up these boxes, so that's what I'm trying to do, to tidy up these beds and get those all going. So bear with me. Then I've got some other little bits and pieces what I wanted to do before I go, but I'm going to just try and strim down this grass and get as much of it out as I can. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got it strimmed down. It's not really at the level what I wanted. I wanted it lower than this, but we'll have to work with it for now. I'm just gonna give it a good sweeping up now, and then I can see what bits are high and what bits are low, what bits I need to take down again. So I'm gonna do this, then I'll be back with you in a minute. So I've got the grass mowed to more or less where I want it. It's not as low as I would like it to be, but it looks a bit neater than it was before. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do some measurements for my polytunnel, which I've decided I'm going to put there. So I'm going to put my polytunnel. It's not going to be a wide one. It's just going to be from there up to here, and then up to that point wide. It's going to be a narrow one, because what I want to do, I want to be able to get over to that bed. I want to get over to that bed so I can get the wheelbarrow for my manure, so I've got access to come in from here. I want to get access to my manure, so I'm leaving the manure pile there. As I go along, what I'll do, I'll fill it in. You can see it's starting to break down now. It's starting to break down, and you can see the heat what's in there now. So that's the manure. I want to get the dry bits on the top, just the straw, to put on my potatoes. So I just want that straw bit to dry out. So that's what I'm going to put on top of my potato bed when the potatoes start to come through. I see just one come through, so that's there. So that's how it looks now. We've strimmed it down, run out of petrol, but I've still got some bits and pieces to do along the side bits and that. So that's thing. I just brought this rake. Didn't even last 10 minutes. There's a bit what's in there, and it just broke out. So when I go home now, I've got to return that. When I talk about the right tools for the job, it looks like it's the right tool for the job. It looked like it was strong because it rakes pretty good, but just that handle bit ain't no good, because it's an adjustable handle what you're meant to screw in and out. But now, because it's broken, you can't get it in and out. More or less, I've got it to where I want it. Just still some of the grass is a bit high. Gonna let this stay for now. And then what I'll do later on, when it gets a bit hotter and it's really dry, I use the wire strimmer and go over it again. Watches or try and get it as low as I can. So if you like this one, please remember to like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend about the channel. If you want to leave any comments in the comment section, let me know, and I will get back to you on them. I'm not going to just ignore you. We try and answer as many as we can, and hopefully if the channel builds up, we'll get other people on there. You can also try and put a comment in and ask questions if you're stuck on something. Like, I'm just learning, so there's a lot of things that I still need to know about. I've got my planting to do. I've got to section that off and know what I'm going to be planting where. As you can see, it's still got the manure in. So hopefully as we go along, we'll get better and improve a little bit more. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care, and happy gardening to you all.